Another really awesome tool set in here is MIDI effects. MIDI effects will allow you to take a sound from a software instrument, and as you are playing the sound, it will manipulate it. Just like audio effects, there are many you can choose from, but let's take a look at a few of them for now. Arpeggiator, also known as Arp, is a really cool one to create unique sounds without having to try and play a bunch of sounds at once. It will allow you to hold one key and it will repeat it. And then the more keys you add, the more notes it will cycle through. Let's take a listen to what Arp does to our virtual instrument. Once we have an instrument loaded, just drag and drop Arp onto the MIDI track our instrument is on. First, if we press and hold one key, notice it will repeat it. Then add another key, and now 2 more keys. This will rotate through the keys we hold down on our keyboard. You can also change the parameters such as rate for the speed and glide to adjust how long the key is held. This is what happens when I adjust rate. Notice the speed of the Arp goes up or down when I move this. Now let's check out glide. This will make the notes either extend or shorten as we adjust the knob.